We've all been there, trying to help our patients stick to their care plans, but sometimes it seems as if you're not fully getting through to them. GUM's Patient Compliance in Oral Care course is here to change that. This short, hands-on course is designed specifically for professionals like you. Perfect for a quick lunch break, you'll learn how to inspire patients, adopt a personalized approach, and ultimately boost compliance in just 5 bite-sized modules, each only 25 minutes. Using the evidence-based GPS method, this course takes your patient care to the next level, and it's interactive. Through fun role plays, you'll practice real-world techniques with hands-on learning exercises. Not only that, but you'll become part of a supportive LinkedIn community where you can connect with peers, share your insights and questions, and get expert advice from professionals. This course will transform how you connect with patients, connecting the dots between routine appointments and a personalized, results-driven partnership. With GUM's Patient Compliance in Oral Care course, you can make a real impact in your practice. Sign up today for free and start transforming the way you care for your patients.